Iran Air 720, continue present heading, vectoring for ILS approach runway 24.
Heading Victor for ILS 24, Iran Air 720.
Iran Air 720, turn right heading 150.
Heading 150, Iran Air 720.
Iran Air 720, turn right heading 220, clear to ILS approach runway 24.
Clear ILS 24 on heading 220, Iran Air 720.
Air 720, contact Rusnia Tower 118.1, goodbye.
1, goodbye. Happy New Year. Good afternoon, Iran Air 720, ILS inbound 24.
Good afternoon, Iran Air 720 Tower, continue approach runway 24, wind 240 degrees, 110. Air 720 runway 24, cars and wind 240 degrees, 1 knot.
Clear to land 24, Iran Air 720.
Taxiway Delta, Foxtrot, cross runway 31, after crossing, contact ground 121.9, goodbye.
Delta, Foxtrot, cross, runway 31, 1219, Iran Air 720. Okay, ground Iran Air 720 requesting.
Iran Air 720, taxi hold point runway 24, taxiway Lima, Golf, South.
Via Lima, Golf, Alpha, Iran Air 720.
Air 720, turn right onto taxiway Lima.
Right, Lima, roger.
Iran Air 720, take first right, taxiway Golf.
First right, Golf, Iran Air 720.
Air 720 and clock on 1412, please.
1413.
So continue now straight ahead via Alpha to holding point runway 24.
Straight ahead, Alpha, holding point 24, Iran Air
0 at holding point runway 24, stop, and when fully ready, contact tower 118.1. Goodbye.
720. Holding point stop and when ready, call tower 181. Good evening, Happy New Year. Good evening, Iran Air 720, ready for takeoff.
Iran Air 720, just stop at holding point. Iran Air 720, runway 24, clear for takeoff, wind 230 degrees, 13 knots, and airborne frequency 120.525.
Iran Air 720, clear line up takeoff 24, departure 1205. Good night.
Goodbye.
Air 720, turn left, proceed, Victor, Oscar Zulu.
Roger, point to Victor Oscar Zulu, Iran Air 720.